The biggest way you can make a difference in your fitness level for your health is to just start walking. The main feature of being a human being that sets us apart from other animals is the way we walk. And the healthiest cultures in the world are cultures that tend to walk. So it's not all the aerobic work, as good as that is for you, it's the persistence or the time that you do it. So the very first step I recommend to everybody is to start walking. Now, there are people here and there that have, leg or back problems that keeps them from being able to walk, and I have modifications to recommend for them. But for the vast majority of us, we don't need new equipment, we don't need new clothing, we don't need to get a membership somewhere, we need to simply begin walking. Also, it's a good clue to me if that's not something, if you're not gonna begin to get fit, that tells me about your commitment level to the kinds of changes you talk about wanting. So it's a helpful indicator to me. If I can get you walking consistently, and if I can get you walking for enough time, then I know that you're gonna begin building these changes into your life. Thanks a lot for watching. One of the things I love is to hear from you, and I learn a lot that way as well, and if you're thinking it, someone else is too. So please leave a comment and I'll answer it, and you can help me help others.